Here's how to fix FPS drops and performance issues with Nvidia. Right-click your desktop and select Nvidia Control Panel. Click Manage 3D Settings on the left, then go to Global Settings. Scroll down to Shader Cache Size and change it to Disabled. Click Apply, then restart your computer. After restarting, open the Nvidia app. Go to Drivers and download the latest game-ready driver if you use your PC for gaming or the Studio driver for general use. Install it. Now press the Windows key and search for Clean Up System Files. Check the box for DirectX Shader Cache and click OK, then Delete Files. Finally, go back to Nvidia Control Panel, then Manage 3D Settings and set Shader Cache Size back to Driver Default. Click Apply and restart your computer. Your FPS should now be stable and performing correctly. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on step-by-click.